set.
Get set.
Let's go.
Are you ready? What? Go. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Price Links. My name is Phil Flynn, Senior Market Analyst at the Price Futures Group, as well as a Fox Business Network contributor. We have today one of our favorite guests. Everybody loves this guy, Horwitz, Todd Horwitz, over at
BubbaTrading.com.
BubbaTrading.com.
Go there.
Bubba, we're in a whole new world. The Fed actually raised interest rates. Could you believe it?
No, but can you believe, more importantly, that the way that Janet Yellen presented the information was actually more dovish than they were when they raised rates?
Well, explain.
They basically pulled a Mario Draghi saying we're going to do whatever it takes, so we're prepared to take this rate back down to zero. Now, one of the problems I have with the whole situation is that when you raise rates with the intention that you might have to lower them later because of future problems, and you're raising rates into a slowing economy, into a deflationary economy, I think the Fed once again blew their brains out and has no idea what they did.
Well, they're trying to use the Mario Draghi magic, talk loudly but use a very small stick. But does Janet Yellen have the cachet that Mario Draghi has?
Janet Yellen has nothing right here. She has a lack of knowledge of how actual true price discovery in markets work. She has a lack of knowledge in what real markets are supposed to be, because we don't have, Phil,
So
real price
what's
discovery.
Janet supposed to do?
What she's supposed to do is they're supposed to raise rates for the last 3 years.
Right.
Okay. Because the truth of the matter is, although I didn't think they'd raise rates and I was wrong, they need to have higher rates, because the only way that we can recapture the middle class of America is to have higher rates, because without higher rates, you don't have the participation of entrepreneurial and middle class that are going out to open a new business.
Why aren't the low gasoline prices helping this? Isn't that like a rate cut?
No.
Why?
Low gasoline, this has been the biggest overused hoax ever. Low gasoline prices, slowing economy, tells you that everybody's in trouble. At the end of the day, if the producers aren't making money, the manufacturers aren't making money, it works up the food chain. That's why deflation is such a bad scenario for everybody, because if the guys at the bottom can't make money who are putting this stuff out, they're going to stop making it. They're going to make it where they have to make money. So we're not making money. The overall economy is not making money. All we have is a slowing down economy that's eliminating and taking the middle class out of the economy. And until the banks can get rates to a reasonable level where the spread between the Fed funding rate and the interest rates is better, we're not going to see any true growth.
All right, it's the happy holidays. What's your Christmas wish for the economy this year?
The economy is going to be. I'm looking for a big sell-off. That's my Christmas wish. I think it's coming. I think that I think the economy is in sad shape, and I think there's a lot of problems.
Well, I'm glad I could bring the Scrooge that could take
Bah
one
humbug.
Christmas. Bah humbug from Todd Horwitz, and happy holidays to
Merry
everybody
Christmas,
from the
everybody.
Price Group.
Thank you for listening.
Bye-bye. Awesome, awesome. You're awesome as usual.